I have the OnePlus Watch 2, and this watch comes with many pre-made workouts that you can use, but also it allows you to create your own workout. And for this one, you're gonna have to go to the OHealth app on the phone. So just launch the app and then go to devices. Under devices, go to workout and health, tap on that. And then under workout and health, if you scroll down, you should see custom workouts. So tap on that, and then let's go ahead and create a workout. So if I tap on that, I can choose a category. So we have a category and name. So I'll choose category. Is it an outdoor workout, indoor workout, or a water sport? So let me select outdoor workout, and then I can give this workout a name. Like that, and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and then now you can see my workout has a category. It's an outdoor workout and it has a name. Okay, now let's go ahead and add items to this workout. So we can tap on that. Let's tap on duration. So these are items that are already in the workout. You can add and remove items. So for instance, if you want to add cadence, you can add it. But that's only after you remove something. So let's go ahead and remove calories, for instance. You can remove calories and add cadence. That's going to add cadence to the list. And you can go adding and removing items according to your will. So for instance, if I don't want that and I want elevation, for instance, I can add it there. And then I'll have my own workout. Tap on save and then tap on done. Okay, so there is my workout, and I can find this workout even on my watch. If I grab my watch and look at the available workouts, as you can see, my workout that I've just created is at the top of the list. Okay, and so I can be able to use it to do my workout. And that is basically how to create your own workout on your OnePlus Watch 2. Thanks for watching and good luck.